Hi guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. Join me in the potting shed where I'm working on the bench for the courtyard for next week's vlog. But for now, 25 vlogs down, over 10,000 views thanks to you, the viewers, the subscribers, the people who share. So I've put together a little ditty just to say that. So here you go, enjoy. Roll VT. Hi guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. Me and Spud are going on a toad hunt. Hi guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. I think it might be a fun one. So yeah, let's go. Hope you enjoy. Without any further ado, let's get on with it. Without any further ado, let's get on with it. Guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. This week's vlog. Guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. Guys, and welcome back to Chips Cream World. Let's get on with this week's vlog. Here we go.